I'm so sorry I'm late. I went for my run this morning and I'm still tired. I hope that you've been practicing because I see you have a yellow star. I'm so proud of you, Naki. Oh, hi everyone. I just told Naki Bear over here about my wonderful run I had and I'm still out of breath. But I'm going to have a sip of water and then I think I will be all ready for our lesson today, because you know what? Running is such a good way to warm up my muscles for the rest of the day. But I have to get my fingers all warm. So I'm ready for this recorder lesson. Wiggle your fingers and I'll drink some water. Oh, nice and refreshing. This is so good. Have you all been practicing? I can't hear you. Let's see. Oh, you have been practicing. I'm so proud of you. Let's see, who of you enjoy running? Come up with the hands if you love running. Ah, that's encouraging to see so many hands. Regular exercise is very important because it keeps us fit and healthy. You know what? It's also important to practice our recorders every day if we want to stay fit in music and to play well. Come, let's see, who of you have been practicing since our last lesson? Up with the hands, let's see. Wonderful! Now, guess what? Today, we are going to learn about running notes in music, just like you saw me running into Naki Bear today. But don't worry, the running notes won't make you tired. It is just notes that we play slightly faster than a tar note on the recorders. Do you still remember our friend tar? Can you clap with me? Let's do this. Tar, 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 tar. And again, tar, 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 tar. Well done, everybody. I tell you what, pick up your recorders and place your thumb on the back hole and the pointer finger on the first hole, and remember this is the note B, just like last week. Now I will count and then you will play 4 tars together on the B note. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, you guys really rock this B. Did you know that tar is a walking note? Just like I'm walking right now. So I can walk on the spot and clap and say tar, 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 tar. Today, however, we are going to learn about the running note. Now, the running notes are also called tate. Now that you have seen what the running note looks like on the screen, I'm going to show you what it sounds like. So you've got to listen carefully. Let's first do the tar note on the drum. Tar, 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 tar. And again, tar, 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 tar. The tate, however, is 2 notes, but slightly faster. Let's see. Tate, 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 tate. How nice was that? Let's do it again. Tate, 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 tate. And you know what? Look at these 2 drums. They even join together. And that is what the tate note looks like. It's joined together by a line. I think let's quickly look in our books to see if we can find the notes that looks like a pair of running legs. I think you should open your book on page 11, please. I can see that you all found these notes. Yes, it is called tate. I want to see whether you all understand how these two rhythms work. I'm going to ask you to stand up and then we're going to play a little game. I'm going to use the drum and I will give you a ta rhythm where we will be walking. And when I give you the tate rhythm, we're going to run slightly faster but still on the steady beat. Let's go with the tas first. 1, 2, 3, and ta, 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 ta. And again, ta, 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 ta. Well done. I can see that you were walking on the rhythm. Now the tate, we've got to be running on the rhythm. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, and tate, 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 tate. And again, tate, 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 tate. Now comes the very exciting part. We are going to learn to clap our tas and tates from the stave. So please open your books on page 11. It's lesson 5. Can you see that there is a track 5? Let's read this first. Slowly now. Ta, te, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te. Did you do that? Let's do it again. Ta, te, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te. Well done. What we would like to do now is to clap the rhythm. Are you ready? Remember your fingers. 1, 2, 3, and ta, te, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te. And again, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te. Well done. Now we're going to do the same for track 6, but you've got to watch out because there are some other notes. What are those notes that you see on the very first one? Yes, it's ta, ta, and then we see tate notes. So look out for those legs. Are you ready? Let's do this and read. I will point. Let's pick up my book. Ta, 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 te, ta, te, ta, ta, te, ta, ta. Whew, that's a very long line. I think we'll have to do it slightly slower. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, and ta, 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 te, ta, te, ta, ta, te, ta, ta. Good job. What's more exciting is that we can also play these rhythms on our recorder. Please go to exercise 1 in your book. Are you there? I would like for you to count the lines and see what note you have on the line. 1, 2, 3. What is that note called again? Correct, it's a B. What we're going to do, we will first clap the rhythm of the notes for exercise 1. So put your recorders under your arms. Are you ready? Look in your book, then say and clap with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and ta, 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 te, ta, ta, te, ta. Are you ready to play? Let's see, can you remember how to put your fingers for the position for B? Now gently play and remember 2, 2, 2, 2 when we play. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and you deserve a star for excellent playing. I'm going to give you 1 yellow star. Well done, good job. I'm so proud of your playing. What I would like for us to do is now go to exercise 2 in your book. Are you ready to clap the rhythm? Let's go to exercise 2 and clap the rhythm. Ta te ta, ta te ta, ta ta, ta te ta. That was slightly more difficult. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and ta te ta, ta-ta, ta, ta, ta-ta. Get your fingers ready for B because it's a B note we are playing. Are you ready? Counting you down. 1, 2, 3, and. Naki, do you think they deserve another star? What's that? Oh, he agrees. He says you deserve another yellow star for superstar playing. There we go. I'm putting another star for you. I guess you know what we're going to do now. We're going to go to exercise 3. Where are you going to put your recorders? Let's see. All right, under your arm. Let's say it first. And let's go 1, 2, 3, and tate, tate, ta, ta, tate, ta, ta, tate. That's a more difficult one. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, and tate, tate, ta, ta, tate, ta, ta, tate. Now what I would like for us to do is to clap the rhythm. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and tate, tate, ta, ta, tate, ta, ta, tate. When we play this, it's going to be more difficult than the previous time. So let's get our heads ready. Roll those shoulders back. Roll your necks. Are you ready? Oh, this is a difficult exercise. 1, 2, 3, and. Oh, that's a more difficult one, and I'm sure you will have to practice that more at home. But let's see what Naki says. Naki Bear, what do you think? Should they get another yellow star? What do you think? Do you think you should get a star? I think you deserve a star for being excellent students. Here goes your star. So we have 2 more exercises to do. Let's read together. And ta, ta, te, ta, te, ta, ta, te, ta, te, ta, ta. Right, let's do that once again. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and ta, ta, te, ta, te, ta, ta, te, ta, te, ta, ta. Naki Bear, do you think that they're ready to play the B note on their recorder? Let's try. Are you ready? B. And put it in your mouth. 1, 2, 3, and. I think it was slightly easier because we end on a ta note. I think you deserve another star, and I'm sure Naki Bear agrees. Your 4th star for your 4th amazing exercise you played today. Now we are getting to our last exercise, but I want you to remember to practice every single day through all of these exercises. And by next week, I'm pretty sure you will know most of this out of your head. And the more you practice and the more you play, the easier it will be. So let's quickly look at exercise 5. Recorders under your arms. Let's read through it first. Ta, 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 te, ta, 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 te, ta, ta. You ready to read another time? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and ta, 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 te, ta, 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 te, ta, ta. I think this exercise is quite easy to play. Are you ready to play the B note on these amazing rhythms on a ta and a tate? Right, let's see. Put your recorders in your mouths. 1, 2, 3, and. Oh, that was a lot of work we did today. I'm pretty sure that you are all excited to get home, But remember, what you need is a star for star playing. That was your 5th star because we have 5 exercises to practice. Naki, did you enjoy today's lesson? Oh, I'm so glad because I enjoyed it and I'm sure you all enjoyed it. Today's lesson was all about running and keeping fit. And oh golly, see what the time is. I have to be running off already. Naki, I will see you next week and I'll see you next week too. Ta-ta, friends.